Tired of projects feeling like they're spiraling out of control and deadlines are just suggestions? Well, say goodbye to the chaos, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to master time tracking in MondeCom, so you can monitor timelines, manage resources, and boost your team's productivity. First, let's add the time tracking column. Head over to the plus sign where it says Add Column on your board, and then click on More Columns from the column center. Find time tracking by scrolling or searching for it. Then click to add it to your board. Now you'll see the time tracking column appear on your board. This column is interactive, allowing you to start and stop tracking time directly against each task. To start tracking, simply click the play button next to the task you're working on. The timer begins immediately, showing you exactly how long you've been working on that specific item. When you take a break or switch tasks, click the pause button. The timer will stop, and the recorded time will be saved automatically. You can also add time manually if you forgot to start the timer or need to adjust the recorded time. Simply click on the time entry itself. A window will pop up, allowing you to edit the start and end times, and even add notes for context. Now for the magic reporting. MondeCom offers powerful reporting features to visualize your time tracking data. You can create dashboards to see where your team's time is being spent, identify bottlenecks, and optimize resource allocation. Filter by team, project, or date range to get granular insights. And that's it. With MondeCom's time tracking feature, you can take control of your project timelines, improve team accountability, and make data-driven decisions to skyrocket your productivity. Now go make those deadlines your reality.